Hello, fellas, fellow traders. I greet you all according to your time. I'm glad to bring in another trading system that will blow your mind. Now, I'm glad to even say that this trading system does not repaint. This is specifically for those who also like to trade aside from currency, who like to trade synthetic indices. But it will make you glad to know that this trading system works on gold, all synthetic indices, step index, volatility 75, volatility 50 index, even boom and crash, name it. This trading system works quite fine. Now I'm going to be showing you some of it. Like in this instance, how does this system work? That is what you would like to know. When we have this arrow, the arrow, by the way, does not repaint. Allow the candlestick to close, and it gives you the definition of where the trend might possibly be going. So when you see it, you have to wait for the candlestick to close. Now we have this, and this is on the H1 time frame. I usually take my entries M30, M15, possibly M5. It's up to you. It depends on how you like to trade, because all of this and the M5 will be taking trades. So let's see how it goes. So at this point, this was still red. We would have waited. This was green, giving us a confirmation, but would have sat on our hands because we have at least triple confluences to look out for. So would have waited for our cloud right here, which we would like to call a ribbon. We'll wait for our cloud right here to turn green for a buy. Wait for the candlesticks to break above the moving average, and it's green. Now, when this happens and this is green, we don't even go in immediately. Now, at this point, we have identified the trend. Remember that in this case, our H1 time frame is a higher time frame. And then let's pull down to, let's see, possibly the M15. See, let's see what the market gives us at this point. Let's see. Good. Now, this right here was the area we marked in the H1 time frame, right? So you notice that at this point, price did the same thing. It broke above the 200 moving average like we had in the H1 time frame. So for sure, we know that the trend is up. At this point, at the point of this arrow, we entered, set our stops at the previous low and ride. And as we're riding, it's giving us more entries along the way. Like I said, the arrows does not repaint. The arrow is an indicator of its own. I bought it on its own separately. But right now, we're combining it with other premium indicators to enhance the accuracy. How crazy can that be? How crazy can that be? Now, at this point, when you see this turn red, you're not scared because we already identified the price is trending above the 200 moving average on the H1 time frame. So any entry for a buy, any entry for a sell is negative, and any entry for a buy is positive. And look at that. Look at that. If I should calculate from here, see, let's just say roughly around here. Let's just say somewhere around here. 840 pips on step index, guys, on step index. So you see that this trading system is simply fantastic. Let me see if we have another entry on the H1. Okay, this was it. This sell, let's see this sell. I don't want this video to be too long. It'll also give us the same thing, but Let me go down to the M15 and see if it gives us the cake that we look for. Ah, M15, boom. So already at this point, it gave us the arrow or a cell here from the M15. But once it broke below and this was red, honestly, even without the arrow, I would have taken this entry. Boom, down. It came back, it retraced, it gave you another arrow, boom, down, down in the direction. Don't forget that we have multiple confluences like we have here, right here. Of multiple confluences, so you need to add that up. Let me see if I can show you another pair before I close this out because the video is getting too long. Hold on, guys. All right. But let's just have the five. One is the fear index. The fear index. Look at the massive move. Look at the massive move. So this is the line. It's been pointed out. Let me pick out another line for this point, but I may not check it right now on this video because the video is already getting too long. So let's go down to the M15, see how we would have taken our entry on the signal we just saw now. So you see now this is sniper entry. Look at that. It broke above, the cloud turned to green. This is green, this is green. The non-repellent arrow allow the candlestick to close. We take this stop loss below and watch how many pips. How many pips? This is simply wonderful. So I am going to be making a separate video on this to check currency pair because I do not want this to get too long. So I'll see you guys on the next video, on the next part. But for now, don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for reaching out, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace.